In this video I will explain the use of My Properties. Here we are at the dashboard, and as you can see we have a number of options to select from. Add a record, search the registry, My Searches, My Properties, My Tenants and My Profile. So today in this video we will deal with My Properties. If you recall, in a previous video we created a record of a tenant. We called him Simon Tenant, and in the first instance we saved the record as an incomplete record, and then we went on to publish the record once we had the full information to hand. The address that we put down for Simon Tenant was 100 the street, the area, the town, TH11TH. The reason why we have this record set is so that we can use this address over and over again. Hopefully we won't have more than one bad tenant living at this property, but it may happen that in the future we have another tenant who comes along and causes some problems for us. So we can simply select it from the list, or we can add our properties prior to creating records in the add a property list here. So let's just do that. Let's take a property that's in our portfolio. So number 50. Area 1. Okay, and then we just add that to the list, and I'll demonstrate how that works. Details have been uploaded and it's been successfully created. So we have our second property in our list. So let's go into add a record. We're going to add a new record, and we are going to save it after we get to the property section. So again, this is a single tenant, one tenant, and this is Dora new tenant, and Dora is date of birth is July 79, and her tenancy started in 2011, and it's periodic, so we'll put today's date down, 14th of May 2013. Okay, so we don't have a picture of Dora, so we'll move to the next record set, the next page, which we here now can either add a new property directly into these fields here, or we can select from our property list. So we know that Dora lived at Richard Avenue, so we'll select Richard Avenue. It populates the fields, and then we're going to save and return on this particular record. So that will add, there we go, that will add Dora to the incomplete record set, which we can have a look at here. And there she is. So the reason behind the My Properties section is so that we can select from the list of properties that we own or that we manage, and if that property is a repeat property, it will always be in the list. I hope that helps you, and look forward to speaking to you in the next video.